everyone, I'm Putreeo.
And I'm Aisha Liyana.
And if you can see, we have accessorized our tudung style. This is styled by Aisha herself.
And this is styled by Putreeo.
So if you want to know more of how we style our tudung with earrings and headbands, so stay tuned.
And watch the rest of the video. We'll be showing you guys how you can style your shawls, your hijab, but still accessorize. And the good thing about when you want to pin at the back, when you want to style anything yang ada pin at the back, it's good to have this kind of inner sticks to your leher. I just add a little bit bling, aka the earrings.
You poked my head!
That sounds like aku nak cakap I takut. So trying to get, it's good for you to really, when you pin, you get it into your inner, make sure, sebab that is when your tudung betul-betul tak gerak. You just adjust it a bit. Over here, you pin it like that, roughly over there lah. Okay? And then over here, we gon' flip it. Macam adjust lah macam mana yang you nak. Oh my god, you look more like me. I tak letak on my ears. I put it on my tudung. That's why the hook kind is the best for this. Yep, just hook it. Agak sama. Is it even sama? Fashion.
Satu tinggi, satu rendah.
Satu depan, satu belakang.
Maybe I should do it like this supaya orang nampak sama.
This is my earring style.
I'm ready to go. Now it's my turn to do the hijab on Aisha, and I'm gonna use this headband as the accessory. But this time I'm gonna wear it like this, like more princessy, but with a little bit of twist and style. So one short and one long, right? Then I'm gonna bring it to the back and just pin. You have that. Then you're gonna bring the long side depan. I'm gonna wear your accessories first, like this. So dia nampak kat dahi, so dia macam jet-jet.
Jet-jet.
This one is the ikat punya style, so it's so much easier. I'm trying to find like the shimmer side so that it shows. Same, so bring it all the way back. For this one, macam menyemak kan? So I bring it back. So you just adjust yang ni, and I'm gonna bring the rest of it forward. So it's just gonna look like this. So yeah, this is basically it. If not, you can just leave it and just like loose punya fashion.
Yep. Macam makcik lagi pasar, dia nak pergi
ada apa? Ada kereta kat tadika. We're done.